Okay, today we're going to learn about fractions and division. So the way I feel about fractions is that it's very similar to division. It is division, but fractions are just another way to look at how to divide something, right? So if we take this shape, a circle, right? Let's say it's a pie, right? Right now we have one pie, right? Another way to say this is that out of one pie, a total of one pie, let's say I'm going to eat one pie, one whole pie, okay? So I'm going to, the total number of pies there are right now is 1. And how many am I going to eat? I'm going to eat 1. That's how we'll show by filling in the number that we're going to eat, okay? So this is 1 out of 1 pies that we're going to eat. But let's say we want to go back, okay? Let's say, wow, 1 pie, that's a lot of food. We don't want to eat that much. So let's divide this pie into an equal number of pieces. So pretend that this pie is equally split right down the middle. And now how many pieces do we have total? We have two pies, or sorry, 2 halves of a pie, right? There are 2 halves there. That's not a very pretty looking 2. Okay, it's a little bit better. So let's say we don't know how many we're going to eat right now, okay? We don't know how many we're going to eat right now, so we are going to, let's pretend that, we're pretty hungry still. We only eat half of this pie. So how many, there's total of 2 pieces of this pie, right? We're taking that one pie, we've divided it into 2 equal halves. Now we're saying we're going to eat 1, okay? So that's 1 half of a pie, okay? All we did was we took one whole pie, we said we want to divide it into 2 pieces, and we're eating half. Now we can say that, well, we're even hungrier than we thought, and we want to, let's say we want to eat another half. So if we do that, we can say, we can fill this in and say we want to eat both of these, right? So then, how many did we eat? We ate 2. We ate 2 halves, right? But if you notice, this looks very similar to what we said earlier, which is we ate 1 whole, right? We had 1 whole pie, and we ate 1 of it. So actually, these 2 are equal. Right? This is equal. If I can make an equal sign. I don't know why this thing doesn't want to make an equal sign. There we go. It's kind of like an equal sign, okay? So, another way we can write this is we had 1, right? We had 1, right? We had 1 half to start with, and then we ate another one, so we can say 1 plus 1 is equal to 2, so we have 2 over 2, which is equal to 1 over 1. It's still 1 whole pie. 2 halves is 1 whole pie, okay? So let's take this even further. Let's pretend that, pretend that we are going to divide this into 3. So let's go, see if I can swap these colors. Oops. Ah, okay, there we go. Swap this again. And then we'll say, let's get our eraser. You know what, let's start all over. Let's erase all of this. I'll draw a new circle. Let's see if I can make it any better than the first one. A little bit better. That's another pie. So now, there's three of us. Let's say it was a mommy, daddy, and then a daughter, right? So we want to cut this into three equal pieces as best we can, right? So three equal pieces. So now we have three pieces. So in our denominator, we can call this what? 3 pieces. So in our denominator is a 3. And let's say we want to, let's say if we just eat one at the moment, right? What is that? That is 1/3 of the total pie, right? So 1 divided by 3. You took one whole and you divided it into 3 pieces, okay? So let's say Daddy gets really hungry and he wants to eat more, okay? Maybe say Daddy wants to eat 2 pieces of pie. Okay, so let's say Daddy's color is this. So he eats 2 pieces. So Daddy is going to eat this many. So the pie is still in 3 pieces, right? But Daddy ate 2. And let's try that again. Daddy ate 2. Okay? Right. So we can do this again and say what is 1/3, or 1/3 let's say Mommy ate, and then 2/3 that Daddy ate. So we can say 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. 3/3. Let me write it down here. We'll just say I'm running out of space. So this is equal to 3 over, well that's not a very pretty 3. 3. Okay. So how about you try making a pie and dividing it into 4 equal pieces, and we'll check it.